If you're trying to work out which inverter is best for you in 2026, then this video is for you. Hey everyone, Dan here at GI Energy. Today I'm talking about solar inverters. This video is a little bit more difficult to make than the best battery or the best panel because inverters more often than not now come with batteries. Most people that are installing solar with batteries now, but that being said, the best inverter, in our opinion, for a very long time in Australia has always been Fronius. So if you are looking at just an inverter, then Fronius has always been the most reliable. It's a little bit more expensive, but it is in our mind the best product out there for an inverter only. You can pair that with a BYD battery and you can pair it with a Fronius Reserva battery. Both of those have their own pros and cons, and there's lots of other videos that cover that on our channel. Secondly, I would say Sungrow is worth mentioning. Sungrow have also been probably the #2 inverter in our opinion for a really long time as a standalone inverter. Sungrow also have a great range of batteries. They have an SBR and an SBH for residential, and they have larger commercial batteries as well, which can be paired with really big hybrid inverters. So Sungrow have always been extremely reliable. Their support is superb for the inverters and also for their batteries. So probably a more durable brand with more design flexibility if you're doing inverter with batteries. Moving away from inverter only, we use a lot of Sigenergy inverters with their batteries. They call them a controller. They charge the battery obviously as well, so they're really a hybrid inverter that bolts onto their modular batteries, and they've been really good as well. Sigenergy as an overall product has been very popular because of its great tech, and there's lots of videos on our channel that go into that in more detail as well, but it offers really good, robust, new tech, and it ticks so many boxes for batteries. If people are looking for great blackout or smaller footprint, extra safety features, parallel design, lots of other things as well, which I don't have time to go into in this video, but overall great product with a great inverter. The other one that we still install a lot of is Tesla. Tesla Powerwall 3 has its own inverter built in, so it's not a standalone inverter, but it is a great product if you're looking at an overall battery plus inverter solution. They kind of cover the vast majority of it. The only other thing that is worth mentioning if we're talking about inverters specifically is microinverters and optimizers. So microinverters being Enphase, optimizers being SolarEdge. If you've got a complex roof or you need to have small groups of panels on different roof areas, or you've got lots of shade, it may be worthwhile considering Enphase or SolarEdge as an inverter solution. Honestly, the market share has dipped off quite a lot in recent years as string inverters like Sungrow, like Sigenergy, like Fronius have got their own inbuilt technology to help build with shade tolerances. So I wanted to mention them in this video because we're talking strictly about inverters, but I would say we install very few of them now, and we're probably going to install fewer as the years go by unless they come up with better battery solutions. So to sum up, inverters as a standalone product, Fronius has always been #1 for us, Sungrow #2. Now if we're talking about batteries included, you could probably say Sungrow, Sigenergy are taking over more of that market share for quality installers, and then obviously the others there that I've talked about are worth mentioning as well. There is a longer video than this which covers the best inverters in 2026 in lots more detail. We'll put that link into this video's description, and we'll also put our link to our free battery guide which you can click and download if you're looking at purchasing a solar and battery system. Thanks very much for watching.